Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on reading graphs. Graphs are a very visual and interesting way of presenting information. Students need to be given opportunities to interact with different types of graphs and to gain information from them. Here's a simple example. The following graph shows the number of coloured marbles owned by 4 different students. So here are the students, and here are the different coloured marbles they own. Typical question could be, calculate the number of marbles owned by the following pupils: Tom, Bill, Susie, Mary, Tom plus Susie, Bill plus Mary, all 4 pupils. They could also answer the following questions: who owned the most marbles, and who owned the least marbles. So this is an interesting exercise because it teaches the students how to extract information from graphs. So they have to concentrate and they have to have some perception. And I'm sure you'll be able to give them many more examples like this one. Here's another one. The following graph shows the different fruits brought to the school in one classroom. So this is a particular classroom, and the students brought pears, apples, oranges and bananas, and that's how many they brought to school for each fruit. And here are some typical questions. Again, the students have to concentrate on the groups and then answer the questions. And here's another interesting one. Draw smiley faces in the boxes to show how many of your classmates own the following pets. So whatever number of smiley faces you draw here, for example, let's say you drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smiley faces, that means 5 students own dogs, and it's the same with all the other animals. And again, here are some very good questions which enable the students to focus on the results of their survey, and then they can answer the questions. So I've presented 3 very basic questions here on graphs, but it's ideal, it would be very good if you can give the students many more examples, because graphs are a very interesting way of presenting information, and because they involve some drawing and some colour, students certainly would enjoy doing these exercises.